Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to write better prompts in Google Flow to create high-quality AI videos. A well-written prompt is the key to getting amazing results, so in this video, you'll learn how to write prompts that are clear, detailed, and effective. Let's get started. First, open Google Flow in your web browser and sign in with your Google account. Open an existing project or create a new one. Inside the project workspace, you'll find the prompt box where you'll describe the video you want the AI to generate. The first rule of writing a good prompt is to be specific. Instead of writing something simple like asterisk, a city, describe exactly what you want. For example, you could write, a futuristic city at night with glowing skyscrapers, flying cars, light rain, cinematic lighting, realistic details, and a slow drone camera moving through the streets. Next, include important visual details. Mention the location, weather, time of day, lighting, colors, camera angle, camera movement, characters, clothing, emotions, and the overall atmosphere. These details help Google Flow better understand your vision and produce more accurate results. You can also specify the visual style of your video. For example, you might ask for a realistic style, cinematic look, anime style, watercolor painting, sci-fi theme, fantasy environment, or documentary style footage. Choosing the right style can completely change the final output. Another useful tip is to describe camera movements. You can include instructions such as asterisk close-up shot asterisk wide-angle view asterisk, drone shot asterisk slow zoom asterisk tracking shot asterisk, or cinematic pan asterisk. These details make your AI-generated videos feel more natural and professional. If your scene includes people or animals, describe their appearance and actions clearly. Instead of saying a person walking, you could write, a young woman wearing a red jacket walking through a snowy forest while smiling. With soft morning sunlight shining through the trees, after writing your prompt, review it once before generating the video. If the result isn't exactly what you expected, don't start over completely. Instead, edit your existing prompt by adding more details or changing specific parts, then generate another version. Small improvements often lead to much better results. As you continue using Google Flow, you'll discover which prompt styles work best for your projects. Experimenting with different descriptions is one of the fastest ways to improve your AI videos, and that's how you write effective prompts in Google Flow. With detailed descriptions and a little creativity, you'll be able to generate stunning AI videos that look more realistic and cinematic. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Flow guides. See you in the next video.